Who's that knocking? Don't stand outside, Val. Come on in here. I just had a sort of feeling this morning something good was gonna happen today. Now there comes a sound without any warning. I just know it's good luck coming my way. Goodness gracious, can it be someone's coming back to me? Who's that knocking at my door? I've been waiting oh so long, I'll just die if I'm wrong. Who's that knocking at my door? I know it can't be the mailman, the coalman, the iceman. They've been here today. Can't be the grocer, the butcher, the baker. They don't knock that way. If my sweetie's there outside, my arms and my heart are open wide. Who's that knocking at my door? Me, oh my oh me, guess I'm having company. Who's that knocking at my door? See the time, it's 8 o'clock, sounds like a familiar knock. Who's that knocking at my door? I know it can't be the milkman, the gas man, the bread man who always collects. I hope that it isn't that butter and egg man who writes out those checks. If it's my sweet used to be, gonna lock him in, lose the key. Who's that knocking at my door? Can't be the plumber, the peddler, the porter, 'cause I paid those bills. I hope that it isn't the doctor, the dentist, they can't cure my ill. If it's someone that I've known, gonna make him feel at home, then who's that knocking at my door? That's all.